We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Welcome to Akureyri, Iceland. Nicknamed the capital of the north, Akureyri is the largest Icelandic town outside of the capital area with a population of around 20,000 people. We took a bus here from Reykjavik, which took around 6 hours. We lived here for the month of June, and we'll give you a quick look at our apartment that we found through Airbnb. So we are in the lower level of a home that a family lives in up above. Bathroom, so take a peek in there. Nice bathroom, nice shower with the warm geothermal water. We've got a nice little kitchenette here with a mini fridge, toaster, and a microwave as well with some shelves. A bench that is also the shoe rack. We've got a nice table here for the two of us. A few more shelves for the other items in here. We have a washer, that's awesome. As well as our sink and a spot to put our dishes and another small shelf there. We'll go to this spot first. This is where all of the clothing would hang to dry. Our jackets all on the hangers there, some nice lights here, and let's enter the living room. So this room has a couch for us to chill and watch on the big TV there. We've got a desk to get our work done. Nice table here, window to the outdoors. We can watch the people come and go, and then on to the bedroom. Nice size bedroom for the two of us. Bed, comfy, end tables, some nice bright reddish pink paint, and our kind of open closet here with some shelves. And we spent $3,077 for this place for 30 days. About 4.5 kilometers or under 3 miles from here is the trailhead to Suller Mountain, which was easily one of my favorite hikes in the country. I decided to summit around midnight on one of the longest days of the year, and you can check that adventure out by clicking right up there. On to the main focus of the video, we had the chance to take a day trip with Star Travel into the remote Highlands. It's around 3 hours one way in the car, but it is a scenic drive, and our guide was really fun and informative. Here is the Kerlingarfjöll waterfall with some cool rock formations. Time to continue up towards Kerlingarfjöll, which requires 4-wheel drive, and the views just get better and better. We definitely did not have the luckiest weather day, but I'm so happy that it stopped raining long enough to get some nice shots from the drone. We've reached the Hveravellir thermal area parking, which does have an outhouse toilet. We're pretty much inside of a cloud at the moment, so views were limited, but still such a fascinating geothermal area to explore. We spent around an hour walking up and down the colorful hills, checking out the different hot and cold water coming up from underneath, and just admiring this scenic spot in the remote Icelandic highlands. On to our other big destination, Hveravellir. Check out the tents down at the bottom in the camping area, plus a lodge, restaurant, bathroom, changing rooms, parking lot, walking trails, and some exciting geothermal features like the hot spring we'll soon be relaxing in. We first took a walk along the boardwalks and over to this traditional Icelandic home, which may or may not be home to a family of trolls. So cool. Okay, time to get in our bathing suits and do some natural bathing. Okay, we are headed out of Hveravellir. Great times, beautiful place. Amazing that they have a lodge and a restaurant out here. Never did look inside, but man, really cool part. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more travel content.